Welcome back to maths class. So this is the class for continuous in areas related to circles. Exercise number 12.1. Yes, students. Okay. Now, in the areas related to circles, already you have completed the first exercise. It is simple exercise to you, and the second exercise you have completed up to the sixth question in your previous class. Yes, students. Okay. Now let us continue in your exercise 12.2. And before that, I want to recall you the formula that is, so the first formula, area of the sector, that is theta by 360 into pi r square. Second one is length of arc, that is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. And some of the formulas we are going to revise from your lower class. Okay, that is area of the circle, square, rectangle, and that's all. Yes, students. Okay, so from the particular questions, I give you the recall the previous formula. Yes, students. And before that, I want to recall you in that exercise 12.2 the basic. It is very simple thing, area of the sector and area of the segment, so like that only we are completing. Yes, student. Okay. And one more thing, what is the deleted portion for unit number 12? So this is a doubt for the students, doubt from the students. In unit 10 circles, you don't have any deleted portion. Okay. In the unit number 12, you have a deleted portion. You don't have a deleted portion from exercise 12.1 and 12.3. You have a deleted portion only for exercise 12.2. So in the exercise 12.2, you have a deleted for example number 3. Example number. And exercise 12.2, you have a deleted for question number 7. Exercise 12.2, question number 7. So these two questions only deleted for you. Okay, so in areas related to circle, the deleted portion is central and based on the central angle 120 degree of the sector. So that's only in your deleted portion. The student, fine. Now coming to the so already 6 questions you have completed in your previous class, and 7th question is your deleted portion. You don't need to write. Now coming to the 8th question and exercise 12.2. Yes, student. Okay. I am reading the question. Listen carefully, all of you. Why means from the given question, if you are reading thrice or 4 or 5 times, above 5 times in the first time, the question you have to verify what is the given question. You have to understand what is given question and what you are going to find and what are the formulas you are going to use. Then only it is very easy to you to find the answer. Yes, student. So I am reading the question number 8. A horse is tied to deck at the one corner of a square-shaped grass field of side 15 meters. Yes, student. So side of square, that is equal to 15 meters. 15 meters. Now coming to the solution. So first I am going to draw one square shaped. The corners are A, B, C, D. Yes, student. Okay. So from the square shaped grass field, we are going to tie a rope in any one of the corner. A horse is tied to make one end of the corner of the square shaped grass field. The side already I mentioned, that is 15 meters. So the length of the rope is 5 meters. So from the 5 meter I am going to take like this. So it forms one sector. Yes, student. So the question is asking to you, find the area of the part that the field can graze the horse. Yes, student. Okay. Now see, you have a length of rope. Which is equal to 5 meters. So in the length of rope only we are going to consider radius r equal to 5 meters. Why? Because of that the length only it will be move like this to form one sector. No, this. And you have an angle of sector. So from the square you have all the angles should be 90 degree only, no? So the sector angle is 90 degree. 90 degree. Now the first question I am going to find area of the part that can be grazed. Alright, grazed area. It is enough. Okay, which is equal to area of sector. Yes, so that is theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Pi r square. You have a theta is 90 degree now. So 90 by 360 degree into. So the value of pi is given to you in your book. Use pi equal to 3.14. So when the given question they are use pi equal to 3.14, you should use that only. Why? Because of the simplification, it's moving a nice manner. That's why the simplification should be good. That's why they are doing like that. Okay. Otherwise, simply they are not giving anything means use pi equal to 10 to base 7. In your previous class itself, I told you. Yes, students. Okay. Now the value of pi is 3.14 and the radius is 5. So 5 into 5. Now I am going to simplify. That is 0, 0 cancel, 1 9s are 9, 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. If now 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Now I am going to multiply 3.14 into 25. So 5 goes are 20 remainder 2. 1 5s are 5. So 7. 5 3s are 15. Then multiply by the two tables. 4 2s are 8. 1 2s are 2. 6. So 0, 5, 8, 7. Okay, that is 78. The two decimal I am going to move now. Yes. So what will come? 78.5 by 4. 78.5 by 4. Okay. Now simplify. 78.5 divided by 4 means 1 4s are 4 remainder 3, 38. Okay. 9 4s are 36 remainder 2. So decimal if you are going to take like this 25. So 6 4s are 24 remainder 1 put 1 0. So 2 4s are 8 and remainder 2 again put 1 0 to get 20. So 4 5s are 20. So that is 19.625 centimeter square when the length of row is 5 meter. That area can be grazed. Yes, student. And second question you have, see, the increases in the grazing area if the row were 10 meter long. 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. Now, listen carefully, student. Already you have a 5 meter row. So I am going to increase again 5 meter row to get area like this. To get area like this. So now, the radius is second question. The radius is equal to 10 meter I am going to consider because length of row is increasing now. And angle you have the same thing is 90 degree. Okay. Now area of the grazing field. Area of the grazing field. It's enough to you. Yes, student. Grazing field. So area of the grazing field, that is theta is again same 90 degree and by 360 into pi is 3.14 into the radius is, what is that? 10 meter because it is increasing from the 5 meter length of rope. So 10 into 10. Yes, student. Now the simplification 0 0 cancel. 1 9s are 9, 4 9s are 36. Then 3.14 into 10 into 10. 10 10s are 100. So 2 decimal also cancel to get 314 divided by 4. 314 divided by 4. Next student. Now you are going to divide 314 divided by 4 means 7 4s are 28. Remainder 3. Remainder 3. Yes. And take the 34 to get 34. Yes. So 8 4s are 32. Remainder 2. Put 1 0. Take a decimal to 1 0 to get 20. 5 4s are 20. So what is the answer? 314 divided by 2, which is 4. Sorry, 4. 314 by 4 is 78.5 meters square. 78.5 meters square. Okay, so this is your area that can be graced by using 10 meter length of rope. Yes. Now what is the given question? Increasing area how much? Increasing area, which means see, increasing area that can be graced. That is what is the highest portion? Which means the length of rope 10 meter is your highest area that can be graced. Yes, student. Now, so subtract from 78.5 to 90.625. So 78.5 minus 19.625. You want to subtract because length of rope 10 meters subtract to 5 meters. That then only we are going to find that increasing area. So subtract now 78.5, 19.625. Yes. So take two zeros like that. Now subtract. Take 10. 10 minus 5, 5. It is 9. 9 minus 2, 7. Then it is not subtract no. So take one number from the previous number for bow. 50 minus 6 is what is that? 9. Point here. Already we want to borrow no, so 7 only. So get one borrow. 70 minus 9 is 8. So what is that? 6 minus 1 is 5. So what is the final answer? 58.975 centimeters square. So this is the area that can be graced in increasing for that 10 meter and 5 meter. That's all. Yes, student. So next question. We want to move the question number 9. So students, next question number 9. That is a brooch. So I am reading the question. Listen carefully, all of you. A brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle whose diameter is equal to 35 millimeters. So in that, from the diagram given, diameter D equal to 35 millimeter. 35 millimeter. Okay, then see, the wire is also used in to making the 5 diameters, which is divide the circle in 10 equal sectors. 10 equal sectors as shown in the figure. Okay, so listen how to draw the circle. First draw the circle and take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally 5 diameter we are going to take a equal area, which is divided by 5 diameter to get 10 equal sectors. Yes, student. So from the sector, what they are asking the question, find the total length of the silver wire is required. So we need to find the length of the total wire. So first you have a diameter. Now the radius equal to 35 divided by 2 millimeter. Or otherwise take 17.5 millimeter. Yes, student. Now I am going to find the circumference of that. This one, circumference first. Now you have circumference formula. Do you know, student? Yes, the circumference is equal to 2 pi r. One sector I am going to find out. Okay, totally how many sectors are available? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sectors. Equally 10 sectors I am going to find. So first I am going to find circumference of one sector. So that is 2 into here. Everything is given to you pi? No. So just substitute 22 by 7 into the value of radius is 35 by 2. So the simplification is very easy. 2 cancel, 1 7 are 7, 5 7 are 35. Then 110 meter. 110 meter or centimeter? So millimeter. 110 millimeter is the circumference of one sector. Now you have 5 pieces. No, 5 pieces of diameter. Now I am going to find the length of 5 pieces. 5 pieces of diameters. So that is 5 into 35 because length of the diameter is equal to 35. you have a 5 diameter, so that's why I'm going to multiply this. So 5 5s are 25, remainder 2, 5 3s are 15, so 175 millimeter. 175 millimeter. Yes, student. Now, what is the given? What they are asking the first question? First question is find the total length of the silver wire is secured. So total length of silver wire. Total length of silver wire, which is equal to how to find in listen carefully of you. See, you have a circumference is 110. Okay, so that is 110, and you have a 5 pieces of diameter in the brooch. So you have a 5 diameter. The total length is 175 millimeter. So I am going to add these two. 110 plus 175 to get 285 millimeter. So this is the total length of the silver wire. Okay, have you understood, student? Because you have 5 diameter, so each diameter you have a 35 millimeter length. I am going to take the 5 also, that is 175, and circumference of one sector, that is 110. Okay, yes, fine. And next the second question asking to you, find the area of the sector. Find the area of the sector of the each brooch. Okay, so you have how many sectors? 10 sectors by dividing the 5 diameters. Okay, student. So now I am going to find the central angle, sector angle. See, okay, first you have a total 360. Okay, so sector angle, which is equal to 360 is the complete angle. Which one is divided by 10? Why means you have a 5 diameter which is equally divided, okay, to 10 sectors. So I am going to divide by 10 to get 36 degree. 36 degree. So 36 degree is your sector angle. Okay, angle of sector. Okay, and next what they are asking, find the area of the sector. Area of the each sector. So area of each sector, and you have a formula theta by 360 into pi of square. Pi of square. Now theta is equal to, you have a value of 36 degree by total 360 degree into the value of pi 22 by 7, and radius you have 35 by 2. Yes, student. So 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. Now the simplification listen carefully. 1 times and 10 times. 136 are 36, 10 36 are 360. Otherwise simplify by the table of 2, 3, 6, anything you are the student. Okay. Now 10 are here. Now 1 7s are 7, 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. Okay. Then 1 2s are 2, 11 2s are 32. So 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. So the remaining 11 into 35 into, what is that? 11 into 35 whole divided by 2 2s are 4. So 2s are 4. Okay. See, now multiply 35 into 11. So 35, 35. So 385. So 385 divided by 4 millimeter square. So this is the area for one sector. Each sector. On both also say no. Yes. That's all. If you want to divide to get the answer, to get, what is that? 9 4s are 36. Okay, 9 4s are 36. Remainder 2. 25. 6 4s are 24. Remainder 1. 0. So 2 4s are 8. Remainder 2, 20. So 5. Okay, but you have a book pack question that one. So you don't worry. Yes, student. And next question, we want to move the umbrella. So, student, next question number 10. Question number 10. That is umbrella question. An umbrella has 8 ribs, which are equally spaced. See the figure. Okay, already they have given the figure. Okay, so that is, I am drawing as roughly. Okay, so this is your umbrella. Okay, like this. Yes, student. And you have a, see, assuming umbrella to be flat circle of radius 45 centimeters. So radius is 45 centimeters. Given radius of the umbrella is 45 centimeters. Okay, so find the area between the two consecutive ribs. What do you mean consecutive? Consecutive next by next? No. Yes. You have this rib, this and all. We are going to mention by ribs. Yes, student. Okay. Now you have a circular figure. It is shown in your book. It is given to you that like. So how many parts are available? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 plus 4 is 8. So totally 8 ribs are there. 8 ribs are there. Now you have a radius r equal to 45 centimeter. Now the circle is dividing you by 8 parts, 8 ribs. So the sector angle. Now I'm going to find the sector angle. So sector angle theta equal to 360 divided by 8. Why? Because of you have 8 ribs. Yes, student. Okay. Now simplify. 1 8 are 8. 4 8 are 32. Remainder 4. So 5 8 are 40. So theta you have 45 degree. Theta you have 45 degree. So you know the radius and you know the sector angle. Now what you are going to find? Find the area between the two consecutive ribs. Consecutive means we understood path the next by next. Okay, so that area you are going to find. Yes, area of the sector. Area of sector between two consecutive ribs. Yes. So which is equal to, you have the same formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. Now you have a theta angle is 45 divided by 360 degree into pi. If they given any value of pi, no. So that we have to substitute 22 by 7 into the radius r equal to how much is given to you student? That is 45 centimeter. 45 centimeter. So theta by 360. 45 by 360 into pi into r square. That is 45 into 45. So this is the biggest value. So try to simplify now. 9 pies are 45. Simplified by the fifth table. 7 pies are 35. Remainder 1. So 2 pies are 10. 5 2s are 10. Now 1 9s are 9. 8 9s are 72. 8 9s are 72. Now this one is 4 2s are 8. 11 2s are 22. 11 2s are 22. And you have a remaining 11 into 45 into 45 whole divided by 4 7s are 28. 7 4s are 20. Now you are going to multiply this two numbers 45 into 45. 5 5s are 25, remainder 2. 5 4s are 20, so 22. 5 4s are 20, remainder 2. 4 4s are 16, 18. So add 5 2 0 2 2025. 2025, which is multiplied by 11. So you bring the same 5202, again 5202. Now add 5 7 2 2 2. So 2 by 2 75. 22,275. 22,275 by 28 centimeters square. Okay, if you don't want to divide, take the same thing. Okay, book bag answer you have that one. Otherwise I need to simplify this, that's your wish. Okay, yes. The next question, 11th question I'm going to find out. I'm going to give you the 11th question. A car has 2 biphones. Okay, a car has 2 biphones which do not overlap. What do you mean overlap? It will not intersect. It will not touch to each other. So that is the overlapping. Okay. Do not overlap. So find each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter, sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. So find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. Yes? Okay. So just you have to imagine like that. The question number 12. 115 degree is given. So just imagine like this. So this is one wiper. Okay. In car you have two sides, two wipers. Okay. See. So this side one wiper and this side one wiper, like that car you have. Okay. Have you understood, students? Now in the each wiper you have a angle, sector angle is 115 degree and you have a radius is 25 centimeter. Okay. Yes. So given radius equal to 25 centimeter, theta equal to 115, sector angle theta equal to 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned that each speed of blade. So you have two blades, students. Okay. Now area cleaned by the two blades. Area cleaned by two blades. That is area 2 into area of theta. 2 into area of theta. Yes, student. Now 2 into you have a formula theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Pi r square. Now you have a radius 25 centimeter and angle is 115. Now multiply 2 into angle how much? 115 by 365 into the value of pi. They give anything? No. So just substitute 22 by 7 into 25 into 25. So that's also you have a because simplification. So take it or take it the whole fraction itself. Multiply and simplify that. Okay. Now simplify the table of pi. 2 5s are 10. Remainder 1. So 3 5s are 15. Now 7 5s are 35 to 72. Okay? Yes. And you have anything is cancelled. Yes. 1 2s are 2. 36 2s are 72. Again 11 2s are 22. 18 2s are 36. Yes, student. And you have anything is multiply now? No, you don't have. So see 23 into 11 into 25 25 are 625. Whole divided by 18 into 7. So multiply this all things to get the final answer. So students, listen carefully of you. 625 into 11, 5 to 6, 5 to 6. So 5, 7. 6 plus 2, 8, 6. So which is multiplied by again 23. Yes? Okay. 23. So 5 3s are 15, remainder 1. 7 3s are 21 plus 1, 22, remainder 2. 8 3s are 24, 26, remainder 2. 6 3s are 18 plus 2, 20. 18 plus 2, 20. Okay. And next multiply that 2. 5 2s are 10, remainder 1. 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15, remainder 1. 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17, remainder 1. 6 2s are 12, 13. So 5, 2, 6 plus 5, 11, remainder 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 5, 1. So what is that? 1,58,125. Yes? 1,58,125. Whole divided by 8, 7, 7, 8, 56, remainder 5, 1, 7, 7, so 126. So 1,58,125 by 126. Okay? If you want to simplify the table of 6, no, it will not divide. So take it that final answer. Have you got it, children? So this is an area cleaned by that sweeping that is swept up the two blades. Okay? Have you got it? These two sums. So the last question for this exercise. Yes, students, the question number 13 you have. So read the question carefully for this question, student. This is the last question for you in this exercise 12.2. Yes? Okay. Now, a round table covers has 6 equal designs as shown in the figure. Okay. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, so radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, and find the cost of making a design at the rate of 0.35 rupees per centimeter square. So student, so for that, so first we need to find the area of the segment. Area of the segment, which is area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Okay, how means see? So look at the diagram. So this is one shape. Already you prepared in your lower class polygons, you know. One side, two side, no. Three sides is a triangle. Four side is a quadrilateral. Five side is a pentagon. Six side is a hexagon. Seven side is heptagon, octagon. It's going on like this. Okay. Then equal six sides. All the six sides are equal. That is called a hexagon. Okay. So this hexagon, it is inside the circle. Inside the circle of radius 28 centimeter. Of radius 28 centimeter. Now each corner of this A, B, C, D, E, F. You have 6 sides and 6 corners also. So each corners I am going to join like this to get the diagram. Okay, which is divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. 6 equal parts. When you are going to join the opposite corners of the hexagon to get the 6 equal sectors. Okay, so from the sector I am going to take the angle, sector angle. So sector angle theta, which is equal to 360 divided by 60. Sorry, 360 divided by 6 to get 60 degree angle. Because you have a 6 sides no in the hexagon. So 360 divided by 6, which is equal to 60 degree. Yes, students. Now the radius of the sector is 28 centimeter. Now what you are going to find me? Find the cost of making the design. So for that we want to find the area of the segment. Area of the segments, which is equal to area of how many sectors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sectors. 6 sectors. Area of 6 sectors minus area of 6 triangles. 6 triangles. So 6 triangles, and before that I want to give you one thing. Look at the diagram. You have these two angles should be 60 degree. Okay. And next this angle also you are going to get the 60 degree. Why? Because of see, already we have completed the question number 4 or 5 like that, the same question. So these are now you have the radius, all the radius are equal. I am going to consider this triangle only now. Yes? O A B. Okay. So first this one is 60 and the two radius, all the radius are equal. When the two sides are equal, at the same two angles also equal. Okay, I am going to consider it. So this 2 is 60 like that, and the third angle I am going to consider. So you know the concept of angle sum property of a triangle. That is, so see, take this one 60. It's simple. Whatever is wrong thing. So this is a 60 because this 60 degree only I am going to find. This one after equal. Okay, so this one is 60, this one is 60, all the angles should be 60 degree. Yes, student. Now, bend the equilateral triangle. So these two sides are equal and the two angles also equal containing these two sides. So consider this to x. So x plus 60, which is equal to 180. Okay. Now 2x equal to 180 minus 60. So 2x equal to 120. X equal to 60 degree. So from this concept, we have concluded all the angles are equal and that side also equal. See, which one is considered by equilateral triangle. So all the triangles are equilateral. Yes, student. Now area of the segment equal to area of 6 sectors. Or other is weight 6 into that like also take 6 into area of the sector minus area of equilateral triangle. Have you got it, children? Whatever you have to take is not a problem, but you need a correct concept. Yes? Now I'm going to substitute the values. So from the equator triangle, you have all the sides are equal. So that is radius 28 centimeters. So the side of the equator triangle also 28. So the side of the equator triangle A also 28 centimeters. And radius also they are given, that is 28. So 6 into area of the sector formula you know, student. Again write, no problem. Theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of equator triangle root 3 by 4 a square. Already I told you no. Root 3 by 4 a square. Now you are going to substitute the value 6 into the angle of theta is 60 by 360 into the value of pi is 22 by 7 into radius what student? 28. So 28 into 28 minus root 3 by 4 into 28 into 28 and because 28 double square. The simplification is some different, so listen carefully on that. Yes? Okay. Now 0, 0 cancel, 1, 6 are 6, 6, 6 are 36. Now 1 7 are 7, 4 7 are 28. 4 7 are 28. Okay, then 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Okay, now 28 2s are 56. So 56 into 28 2s are 56, 56 into 22. 6 2s are 12, remainder 1, 5 2s are 10, remainder 1 11. So 2 1 1. So 2 3 2 1. So 1232 by 3. So 6 into 1232 by 3 minus root 3. Already they have given the value of root 3 is 1.7 student. Okay. Actually 1.732 is you are using in your previous 9th syllabus. But simply they are given 1.7 is enough. Okay. Now 1.7 into 28 square 576. Wait, check. 28 into 28. 60, 8 into 64, remainder 6. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 6, 22. 8 2s are 16, remainder 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. So 4, 8, 7. So 784. 784 whole divided by 4. Now I am going to simplify by the two tables is not a problem. 2. 3 2s are 6, remainder 1. 9 2s are 18. Again 2. 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. Remainder 1. 9 2s are 18. Remainder 1 6. After 196 you are going to get now. 196 into 1.7. 1.7. So 7 6 are 6 7s are 42. Remainder 4. 9 7s are 63. 67. Remainder 6. 1 6 are 6. 1 7s are 7. 7 plus 6 13. So 6 9 1. So 2 7 plus 6 13. Remainder 1 10 13 3. So how many decimal you are going to move? 1 decimal. So 6 into 1232 by they simplify this also. Wait, student. 1232. 1232 divide by 3. So 4 3s are 12. Take 3. 1 3s are 3. Take 2. So 0. Put 1 that. Decimal 20. 6 3s are 18. Remainder 2. So it is going on. So 4 into 6 into 410.67. Assuming like this. Okay, because 6 6 is repeated no. That's why. Minus here 333.2. 333.2. Now 6 into 410.6. 6 also takes not a problem. Minus here 333.2. So 7 4. Here 10 minus 3 7 0. So getting borrowed 10 minus 3 7. So 77.47. 77.47. 6 into 77.47. Now I am going to multiply this to again because 6 times no. 6 into area of the sector minus area of the because 6 sectors you have, 6 segments you have like that. Okay, so 77.47 into 6. 6 sevens are 42, remainder 4. 6 fours are 24, 28, remainder 2. 6 sevens are 42, 42 plus 2, 44, remainder 44, remainder 4. 1 6 are 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So 2 decimal if you are going to go. So 104 point, what is that then? Wait, so multiply to get the final answer is 77.47 into 6, which is equal to 464.84 centimeters square. 464.84 or 82, that's all. Next is the final cost of making. What are they asking? Find the cost of making the design. So cost of making that design. Cost of making that design. Okay, so cost of making the design equal to what is the area of the sector. So that one you are going to multiply by the cost of 1 centimeter square. How much costing? So per 1 centimeter square the cost is 0.35, that is 35 paise like that. Okay, so now we are going to multiply 464.84 into 35, I mean 0.35, but this I am going to take 464.84 into 35 by 10, sorry 100, 35 by 100 like that. Okay, so simplify, multiply this two to get, wait, so 464.84 into 35 to get, see, so the final answer finally 162.68 rupees. 162.68. So simplify like that and to get the answer. Okay, have you got it, children? So this is important pattern questions you have. So be prepared. Yes. Okay. So student, second exercise, all the questions are completed. And last question you have 14th question 1 mark. Think and answer the following. Okay, that's 1 mark only. So yes, student. So exercise 12.2 is finished. We'll meet the next exercise. Thank you.